Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever struggled to organize your ideas or processes visually, today's tutorial is going to be a total game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a clear, professional flow chart in Figma, and I'll even walk you through using a ready-made template to make things even smoother. Whether you're mapping out a project, brainstorming solutions, or just trying to make things less overwhelming, this method is quick, intuitive, and honestly pretty satisfying. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's head over to Figma. If you're already logged in, great. If not, take a minute to sign in or create an account. We're using Figma because it's a super flexible and widely used tool for all kinds of design work, and the best part is it's web-based, so you don't need to install anything bulky. Just open up your browser, type in Figma.com, and you're ready to start. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side where you see various options. You'll notice a section labeled Templates and Tools. Go ahead and click on that. Templates are your best friend when you want to save time and avoid reinventing the wheel. Think of them like starter packs. They give you a strong foundation so you can focus on the content rather than the setup. Next, there's a search bar at the top. This is where the magic happens. In here, type flowchart. You'll see a few options pop up, but before clicking anything, notice that there's a navigation tab for plugins. Now, plugins in Figma work like little helpers. They add extra functionality without complicating your workflow. So go ahead and select the Plugins tab at the top. Scroll through or look for a plugin called Flowchart. This plugin streamlines the work, making it quicker and less daunting. Click on the plugin when you see it listed. Sometimes the interface might pause for a second. It's just loading up the tools you'll need, so don't worry if there's a tiny delay. Once the plugin opens, you're going to start fresh by clicking New File. This is your blank canvas, a place to play around and experiment without feeling like you'll mess anything up. If you're new to flowcharts, just think of them as visual roadmaps. Each shape or arrow represents a step, a choice, or a direction, kind of how you might map out your route using a map app on your phone. Now it's time to actually make the flow chart. Drag and drop the template elements provided by the plugin into your file. For example, you might start with a rectangle for your starting point, then use arrows to connect to decisions and actions. Don't stress about getting everything perfect on the first try. You can always move elements around, tweak colors, or add labels as you go. The key thing is to make your process as clear and understandable as possible, both for yourself and for anyone else who might view your chart. Once your flow chart looks the way you want, maybe it maps the stages of a project or outlines a process at work, you're all set. Seriously, that's it. You've created a flow chart from scratch using Figma, and you've taken advantage of a template to save yourself a ton of setup time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're feeling a little more confident about bringing order to your projects with flow charts. If you enjoyed learning this today, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions or want to share how you use flow charts in your own work, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and templates. Thanks for watching and happy designing.